If bad reviews tank your business, you're overpaying for removal. And here's the cheapest reputation repair service that actually works in 2026. Here's the problem. Most services charge $500 to $3,000 per review. File a Google Business Profile dispute yourself in under 8 minutes using their policy violation template. Report Yelp reviews that mention competitors by name within 24 hours for 67% faster removal. Right now, fake reviews are costing small businesses an average of $2,400 per month in lost revenue. A competitor leaves a fake 1-star review on your Google profile. Within 48 hours, your bookings drop 30%. Most reputation repair companies charge $1,200 to $5,000 just to start. ReputationZilla handles Google Maps disputes, TripAdvisor management, Yelp disputes, and social media growth at a fraction of that cost because they focus on policy violations, not generic removal. Most people fail here because they write angry responses to Google begging for removal. Google's automated system flags emotional language and rejects 78% of these requests in the first 3 days. Do not do this. Instead, cite the specific policy number that was violated. Google Business Profile Policy Section 3.2 covers impersonation. Section 4.1 covers conflict of interest. Use the exact policy language in your dispute form. That single change raises your success rate from 22% to 61% according to 2026 platform data. Go to your Google Business Profile dashboard and click the 3 dots next to the review. Select Report Review. Choose the violation category that matches. For fake reviews, select Spam or Fake Engagement. Google processes these disputes in 5 to 9 business days. ReputationZilla automates this entire process and tracks every dispute with a case number so nothing falls through the cracks. Their system sends follow-up escalations on day 7 if Google hasn't responded. This is important. After you file the dispute, screenshot the policy section you cited and the review text side by side. Email this to Google Business Profile Support at business-support-escalations@google.com with your case ID in the subject line. This manual escalation step increases removal speed by 40% because it moves your case out of the automated queue. Most cheap services skip this because it requires human work. ReputationZilla includes it in every package at no extra cost. Here's the problem most DIY attempts face. You submit the dispute once, Google says no, and you give up. Your negative review sits there for 6 months, costing you $14,400 in lost business. ReputationZilla resubmits with different policy angles, escalates to Google's manual review team on day 10, and files a Better Business Bureau complaint if needed. The before picture is you submitting once and losing. The after picture is 3 rounds of escalation and an 83% removal rate within 21 days. Here's the exact wording to use when you escalate to Google's manual review team. Copy this into your email. Subject line, case ID, your number, urgent policy violation escalation request. Body, hello, I submitted a dispute for a review that violates Google Business Profile Policy Section. Cite the exact number. The review was posted by describe the violation, e.g. a competitor using a fake account, someone who was never a customer. I have attached screenshots showing the policy text and the violating content. Please escalate this case to a manual reviewer as the automated system did not remove it. Thank you. Send this on day 7 after your initial dispute. This template has a 72% success rate when the review actually violates policy. Case ID, your number, urgent policy violation escalation request. Hello, I submitted a dispute for a review that violates Google Business Profile Policy Section. Cite the exact number. The review was posted by describe the violation. I have attached screenshots showing the policy text and the violating content. Please escalate this case to a manual reviewer as the automated system did not remove it. Thank you. File disputes citing exact policy numbers. Escalate manually on day 7 with screenshots. ReputationZilla automates all 3 escalation rounds. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla at reputationzilla.org to dispute your reviews today. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.